how vFlow broke your script into scenes. The Story tab is your storyboard before production. Each scene shows who is in it, where it takes place, and how many shots it will contain. Check that the structure matches what you had in mind before anything gets generated. Write visual direction for each scene. This is one of the most important steps in vFlow. Each scene has a visual direction field. This is where you tell vFlow what the audience should actually see. Remember, don't just describe the story, describe the scene. Be specific about where characters are positioned, where important objects are located, where actions are happening, and how characters move through the space. I'll provide an example here. If it's your first time generating with vFlow, you can just go with the default visual direction, but I'm telling you how to improve it. So let's say it's written like this. Apple and Orange sit in a park talking about Strawberry's birthday. Remember, this is just an example. Apple has been hiding a gift box he plans to give her. Banana suddenly walks over and joins the conversation. Yes, this is okay if you are working with real actors in a real movie. However, this is not enough for AI. Instead of writing this, try writing Apple sits on the left side of a wooden bench in the park at sunset, referring to the asset. Orange sits on the right side. A small gift box rests between them on the bench. Apple occasionally glances down at the box while talking. From a walking path on the right side of the bench, Banana approaches and stops directly in front of the bench facing Apple and Orange. This gives vFlow a clear scene layout, making it easier to maintain character placement, object locations, and shot consistency. When scenes happen in the same location, avoid resetting the scene. Continue from the existing layout and only describe what changes. Instead of saying, Banana notices the gift box, try writing Apple remains seated on the left side of the bench while Orange stays on the right. As Apple shifts nervously, the corner of the gift box briefly becomes visible. Banana notices it immediately from where he is standing. One pro tip is to use specific directional language whenever possible. Instead of Banana stands near Apple, try Banana stands directly in front of Apple and Orange. Instead of saying Apple sits next to Orange, say Apple sits on the left side of a wooden bench in the park at sunset. Words like left of, right of, in front of, behind, and between are more reliable than vague terms like near, nearby, or next to. Don't just describe who is in the scene, describe where everything is. After you're done, click Next.